The booking trend report gives you a really interesting perspective on what's happening with your bookings in your photography business. It lets you kind of get in, roll up your sleeves, and get a big picture of, what's happening. Like, when are my inquiries coming in? When are my shoots booking? What's my booking rate like? Is there a trend in terms of when these things happen? Or is there some of them that are booking at a greater percentage than some of the other ones? So it really kind of lets you get in and really understand those bookings. If you're having a challenge with your bookings, or if you want to just analyze them and understand what you can be doing better, or what you can be doing more of, or what you maybe should be doing less of, the booking trend report gives you a big picture of those specific numbers. So let's hop in here and look at the booking trend report. And you can see here at the top, you have your line graph. And this is just going to show you over a period of time when you had your leads come in and when you had your shoots come in. So this is really insightful to see, is there a time that's busier? And maybe you can look at that for your marketing, or you can look at that in terms of what did you do that time of the year that made that higher? Or maybe your bookings are higher. So again, you can look at that and see, is there a correlation there? So there's a lot of interesting information that you can gather by looking at that booking trend line graph here. To the right, it's going to show you how many leads you had total and what your average booking rate was for this period. And then of course, it's going to tell you the average booking time, meaning how long on average did it take all of these leads to actually end up booking you. And that's really insightful to help you understand your customer experience and the customer journey and what's happening and how you can improve that or what you can tweak there. Now down here, it's going to show you both the shoot types breakdown and also the lead source breakdown. Basically meaning, for wedding leads, what are these numbers? So what's the total number of leads that I've had? What percentage of them had booked? How many bookings are there total? What was the average time for that? And what was the total value of that? So you can see that per shoot type and then also per lead source. So maybe you might want to look at this and say, one of them is working really well, one of them is not working really well. Maybe one of them is a shorter time period to book, in which case maybe you should spend more of your time there. It just kind of gives you that information from a booking trend perspective as to what's working, what's not working, and how you can make things better, or how you can spend less time on things that maybe aren't working in your business. And so that is the booking trend report for you in Sprout Studio.